Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and once again here I am with Ielts speaking video. In this video I'm going to ask you some questions and I'm going to give you sample answers as well. So you can just look at the screen. After the question there will be the answer and you have to give that answer. Let me tell you one thing, you can change the answer according to your environment. Now for example, if the question is, where are you from? You can say, I am from Pakistan, I am from India, I am from Bangladesh, I am from Nepal, Sri Lanka and all that. So according to that you can change. Otherwise these sentences will help you practice. So this video is going to go on for some minutes and you can read all the answers. I'll give you some time to read the answers and read the answers loudly. Listen to the question, then keep looking at the screen and read the answers loudly and try to have the speaking tone even when you read the answer. Is that clear? After reading one sentence, full stop, short pause, then read the next sentence, then next short pause doesn't mean a long pause, just natural pause of half second or a quarter of second and then go on. Just break the sequence of the sentence. Now let's take a start. Where do you come from? What is your home like? What are the advantages and disadvantages of your home? Tell me about your family. If you do any job, tell me about your job. What are your plans for the future? What type of transport do you use most? Do you like reading? What do you like reading the best? What kind of television programs do you watch? Tell me about a film you have seen recently. Do you have a pet? What kind of food do you like? How often do you go shopping? What is your favorite festival and why? How do people celebrate this festival? Do you like dancing? Has anyone ever taught you to dance? Do you think that traditional dancing will be popular in the future? Good. Now let's change the topic and I'm going to ask you some more questions. How well do you know your next door neighbors? How often do you see them? What problems do people sometimes have with their neighbors? Okay, now let's talk about houses and apartments. Okay, all these topics are for speaking part 1. Do you live in a house or an apartment? Which is your favorite room in your home? Would you change anything about your home? Would you like to move to a different home in the future? Do you have a favorite number or a number that is special to you? Do any numbers have special importance in your country? Are you good at remembering numbers? What numbers do people often have to memorize? Alright, now let's go on the most popular topic, the most common topic for the examiner, that is hometown. Where are you from? Do you like your hometown? Would you prefer to live somewhere else? Do you think your hometown is a good place for young people? Great. So you must give me your feedback because this is the first video of this new series. I always try to do some new experiments on you and then I see your feedback through your comments, and your comments tell me whether I should continue with this very video or this very type of videos or these ideas or not. So please comment this video and tell me, rather request me if you want me to make more videos like this where I provide you the answer with the question and you can read the answer from the screen. Clear? If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel Asad Yaqub and my other channel Asad Yaqub Vlogs. I also teach Ielts online. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best with your Ielts speaking. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.